Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign, this is January mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fire Sign, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Some of you are dealing with Leo. Some of you are dealing with Libra, air sign, or Aquarius. Under the deck, Page of Pentacles, King of Wands, Eight of Wands, High Priestess, and Queen of Cups. So, Aries, you are a very emotional person. You always share your love to people around you. But sometimes you have to take care of yourself also. You have to spend some time alone. And High Priestess, so trust your intuition and follow your intuition. You will, so that will lead to your right path and right answers. So, High Priestess. At the same time, keep an eye on your dreams because sometimes dreams also carry some messages. And Eight of Wands. Maybe things are moving slowly in your life right now, but from now things are moving fastly, and lots of communication is coming. And King of Wands with Page of Pentacles. You are putting your ideas into actions, and you are very passionate towards your goal. And definitely you will receive communication from someone here. And for some kids also involved in this relationship, especially. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Sun, Six of Cups and Ace of Cups. Wow. In recent past, emotional fulfillment, and there was love, there was happiness, there was everything in recent past. You were like just happy and emotional fulfillment and love. Everything was there in recent past. Then present, Justice, Ace of Pentacles, and Star. So your wish is granted, and you are trying to balance things in your life and new opportunities, new resources for you because Ace of Pentacles, uh, new possibilities are opening to you. Uh, and if you have any past wounds, those wounds are totally healed. Now you are entirely a new person. People are attracting towards your authenticity, and there will be financial stability for you, Aries. Then future, Page of Cups, Five of Cups, and King of Pentacles. So someone is coming here to offer their love. Maybe there will be some romance. But Five of Cups, you will feel like sad because you're still carrying some past baggage with you. So it is okay to give you a moment to feel bad, but it is not okay to be in that moment for a long time. So Aries, move on and do meditation to heal yourself completely. And King of Pentacles, so you will focus on your money. There will be financial stability. And you want to create security to your life, and you will achieve. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Aries, Nine of Swords with Page of Pentacles and Ten of Swords. What's going on? So this person is in very, very sad situation. They want rebirth in this relationship. Maybe they're coming back with an apology here. They're thinking about you a lot of overthinking, anxiety and depression. So let's see what's going. The current feelings and intentions. Aries. Nine of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and Four of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. Some of you are dealing with Taurus. Definitely, there is stability or commitment issues between you and your person. They're not expressing their true feelings, but they're thinking about you a lot. Now they want to work on this relationship. They want to offer stability, but circumstances are not under your person control because their current feeling Seven of Pentacles, Eight of Swords, and Eight of Cups. Maybe they walked away from this relationship or they did something to you. Maybe they did hurt you, but now they have regrets. They're feeling stuck. They are stuck on you, and there is waiting game is going. Seven of Pentacles. Maybe your person is waiting for right time or right opportunity to approach you, but right now your person is stuck. They can't. They are not seeing any opportunity to reach out to you because Eight of Swords. But it's all in their mind. By practicing patience, they can see the opportunities and their intentions. Five of Cups, Nine of Wands, and Four of Swords. So they're missing you a lot. They're feeling sad without you, and they want some positive growth in this relationship, and they want to heal from this pain. Four of Swords, but they can't because it came reverse. So right now they can't heal from this pain because they're thinking about you a lot and they're feeling stuck. So I want clarification card for Nine of Wands. Yeah, they're working on their inner strength and they're listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition, and they're trying to communicate with you. And for some, you both have age difference also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Aries. They can't let you go. It is very difficult for them. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership here, and they are trying to come towards you and say apology here. They do have feelings for you. Yeah, they will approach you. Maybe for some it will take time because right now your person going through a lot emotionally. Aries. You will get some help from someone, Aries, and you are in so confusion because you don't know which decision you have to make, or you have options. Yeah, you have options, or you are in some confusion to make a decision here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Lot of earth energy. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, divine timing is the key here. So you're focusing on your money, you're focusing on your inner strength, but they want to offer stability here, but they are waiting for divine timing. Definitely patience is the key and divine timing is the key here. Yeah. But there is communication is coming and they will say apology to you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. So right now you're both feeling overburdened here. Emotionally unbalanced, especially your person. So let's see messages. Lot of abundance is coming. I am not feel good enough for you. Finances and career. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. adjustments are required third quarter moon. For some, after reconciliation also there will be some adjustments are required here, and you're very close to achieving your goal. So if you are doing consistent hard work towards your goal, this is the message for you. You are very close to achieving your goal, and you show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Some of you are dealing with Aquarius. So if you are hiding your real emotions or feelings, this is the message for you. Show the world the real you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.